Good morning, everyone. Today we will be presenting about airport and transportation. We will highlight about the strategic infrastructure and the ecosystem and connectivity of airports and what are the fundamental needs for the developments of the airport. My team members are Aiham Ibrahim and myself Ali Fayed, Chaela and Somik. So, to begin with, I'll give a small introduction about airports. Airports evolved from the early fields. This was in the 1909 College Park. This evolved. The first purpose of the airport was built for the post-war. In between 1920s and 1930s, this was built in for the war. And after the post-war, these airports turned into complex and multi-modal hubs. Airports are strategic infrastructure that have evolved from simple airfields into complex multimodal ecosystems that catalyze connectivity, trade, tourism, and industrial clustering. In Malaysian context, MAHB, Malaysian Airport Holding Berhad Network, and particularly the complementary roles of KLIA and Sultan Abdul Aziz Airport, which we will be highlighting in this presentation, demonstrates how sound planning, choice, and around location, accessibility, environment, stewardship, and airspace runway design translate into national and regional development outcomes. Sultan Abdulaziz Airport, also the three-letter code is SZB, commonly known as Subang Airport, is located in Subang, Selangor, about 25 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur city center. This airport was opened in 1965. It was opened as the main international airport for Kuala Lumpur. And, in, and in 1998, this airport was turned into a regional airport after the development and opening of KLI Airport. The reason for this was Subang Airport was located in the city center, close to the city center and close to a whole lot of residential places. Subang Airport operates as a regional aviation hub focusing on turboprop passenger service, private corporate jets, and maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO operations. It is managed by the Malaysian Airport Holding Berhad. Today, Subang Airport operates with three terminals. Terminal 1 is used mainly for administrative and cargo functions. Terminal 2 is used primarily for general aviation and private jets. Terminal 3 is the main terminal today used, also known as Sky Park Terminal services. Low-cost budget airlines like Firefly, Batikya, and other regional carriers. The airport's strategic location near Kuala Lumpur makes it vital for business travel and air taxi services and domestic routes to Penang, Johor Bahru, and Langkawi. It also plays a key role in supporting Malaysia's aviation ecosystem through MRO facilities like AIROD and SR Technics Malaysia. Next, I'll be speaking about planning and development of a new airport complex. The planning process where developers should consider a lot of factors, including the location, accessibility of the airport, runway and airspace of the airport, and the environment and community surrounding the airport, and the land use and industry also. The process requires careful evaluation of multiple technical, economical, social, and environmental factors. Each of these elements influence the airport's long-term functionality, safety, and contribution to general regional growth.
Good morning, my name is Aiham and I am going to discuss about MHB's responsibilities at Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport. First of all, Subang Airport is one of MHB's most strategic airports, especially for business aviation and the aerospace industry. MHB's role here is centered around three key areas, which is safety, operational excellence, and commercial development. First, in terms of safety, MHB follows ICAO and CAM standards through a strong safety management system. This includes regular emergency drills, internal audits, and continuous training through the Malaysia Airports Training Center. The goal is to maintain a strong safety culture across every level of the airport. Next is operational excellence. Subang's operations are supported by data-driven planning and predictive maintenance, also with performance monitoring. These help reduce congestion, improve turnaround time, and ensure reliability. Under the Subang Airport Regeneration Plan, MHP is also upgraded infrastructure to support aerospace, MRO activities, and modernize the airport. Finally, for commercial development, MHP is transforming Subang into a city, airport, and aerospace hub under the KLIA Aeropolis framework. This includes expanded non-aeronautical revenue through retail, real estate, logistics, and aviation services. Overall, Subang Airport contributes significantly to Malaysia's economic development and the country's long-term aviation strategy. Next, I will look at role of technology, Total Airport Management Suite, which is TAMS. Technology plays a major role in MHP's management of Subang Airport, especially through the Total Airport Management Suite or TMS. TMS is an integrated digital platform that links airside terminal and landside operations. For passengers, TMS improves the entire travel experience. It provides real-time updates on flights and baggage, reduces waiting time, and helps manage passenger flow smoothly, something especially important for Subang's business and regional travelers. In terms of delay reduction, TAMS supports collaborative decision making between airlines, air traffic control, and ground handling teams. This allows the airport to predict disruptions early and coordinate faster, improving on time performance. Lastly, TMS boosts operational efficiency. It helps optimize gate assignments, staff scheduling, and baggage systems using real-time data. This reduces errors, improves resource use, and supports Subang's progress as a smart, technology-driven airport. Overall, technology strengthens Subang Airport's performance and helps MHP lead digital transformation in Malaysia's aviation industry.
Good morning. I'll give a quick overview of the infrastructure at Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Alam Airport and how it manage capacity. Subang depends on the one runway. Strong maintenance and strict scheduling keep operations safe and on time. Taxiways link to airfield to the terminal and hangars, which helps reduce ground delay. The apron is shared by passenger flight, private jets, and MRO activities, so efficient stand use is important. The terminal is compact, so clear layouts and simple tech upgrades help move passengers faster. The airport cannot expand much, so it focuses on optimizing what it has. This includes better air traffic coordination, improved apron design, and ongoing terminal upgrades. Airlines like Firefly and SKS Airways gain from those improvements. Subang is also growing as an MRO hub through facilities like Subang Aerospace Park and Aerot. This creates job and increases activity, which requires careful space management, noise, and environmental control. Help protect nearby communities through controlled routes and limitation night operation. Subang also involved into a regional business aviation center. Its performance depends on smart use of the limited space and continuous modernization.
Okay, next there are economic and strategic impact. The first one was how airports helps Malaysian economics. There are three. The first one was tourism. Bring in international visitors and connect them to places like Langkawi and Penang. Second one, trade. KLIA is a key hub for shipping high-value goods like electronics and medical supply. The last one was connectivity. Link Malaysia to the world, making it a central point in Southeast Asia. Next, the special role of Subang Airport. Not a competitor to KLIA but a partner. New focus, becoming a premium city airport. Caters to business jets and private travelers, future airtax, aircraft maintenance service, and for the benefit is to attract high-value tourists and business complementing KLIA mass market role. Okay, next we have the competitions. How KLIA compares to Changi Airport, Bangkok Suvarnabhumi, and KLIA. For Singapore, they focus more to luxury experience, words best airports. For the strategy, win with premium service and shoppings. For Bangkok Suvarnabhumi, focus more to massive tourist destination, and for the strategy was win by being the top tourist getaway. For KLIA itself, it's more focused to volume and cost effectiveness, and for the strategy was win by being a large, efficient, and affordable hub. Next, we have Malaysian smart strategies. Two airports, one goal. KLIA job is be a mega hub, handle over hundreds million passengers, be cost effective for airlines, home to AirAsia, driving low cost travel. For Subang job, be a premium hub, quick offer quick, convenient access for business luxuries, and focus on new technologies like AirTags. They also want us to be togetherness. They capture both mass market and premium.
Looking ahead, the network faces twin pressure of sustained demand growth and accelerated decarbonization, requiring disciplined phasing of capital projects. The future outlook has some challenges, but also these challenges can be turned into opportunities and action can be taken right now. Resilience to climate and haze events and a step in change in Green Airport Initiative. Prioritize including scaling digital operations, example TAMS, expanding non-aeronautical value via aeroplanes and Subang regeneration, improving intermodal access and particularly restoring reliable rail to SZB and processing carbon strategies such as energy efficiency, electrified ground operations, and SAF readiness centered on KLIA. If executed coherently, Malaysian dual hub strategy can convert these challenges into competitive advantages, enhancing connectivity, investors' confidence, and long term socio-economic returns. Thank you.
To conclude this presentation, I would like to say Subang Airport plays a very important role in Malaysia's aviation system. MHP's strong focus on safety, operational excellence, and commercial development ensures that the airport continues to operate efficiently while supporting national economic growth. The use of technology, especially systems like TMS, helps improve the passenger experience, reduce delays, and make overall airport operations more efficient and transparent. With continued modernization and digital transformation, Subang Airport is well positioned to remain a key city airport and an important aerospace hub for Malaysia in the years ahead. Thank you.